you in real time and real updates. All right, let's see. We started out with how many people going home? Well, the captain's going to go to a different boat so he can get down to St. Louis and then go home from there because he lives way in Texas. The pilot, he's getting off. We got to take him to the airport because he lives in Oklahoma. The mate, he's getting off, but somebody's picking him up and taking him to Chicago so he can visit his family. So then it was supposed to be one guy left on here along with the chief. Okay? So that would leave 3 others. Well, now one of the others is staying on the boat too because they got to paint the boat. So, all right. So that now leaves us down to 2. And they didn't have fog last night. So we will be in St. Paul by 2 p.m. today. So that means I'm getting off the boat around 2 p.m. today. But the drivers did say that he will only drive till about 9, 10 o'clock. And then we're going to get a hotel. In just a second, I will show you all my luggage. I'll show you everything. I got it done. It took some ingenuity, knowing how to play Tetris. I got every nook and cranny packed. I mean, if there was one little spot, there was something got put into it. And boy, is this. So this is going to be fun. All right, so hold on a moment. Let me get up, go in, and show you. All right, be right back. Okay. Got my linen, my big box, one of my duffels, my chair. This is out in the hallway because I had to take everything out of here so I could clean. Whoops, let me turn down the TV here. Alright. Duffel bag. Duffel bag. That pillow stays, but that pillow goes. And underneath that is my blanket, this other blanket. So, yeah. And as we can see, everything is clean. I moved that thing into here. Everything is nice and clean. Including my shower. All nice and clean. But, yeah. Hi, people. Anyways, I just got a few other things to do. Just a couple things, and I'm ready to go. Alright, hold on, let me turn this around. Alright, anyways, so we're getting off the boat sometime today. Hopefully 2 o'clock. I'm tired. I do want to go home right now. But I got some things I should be taking care of, and I'm hoping when they recrew the boat back up that I do come back, so I will call the office, and maybe they love me enough to put me right back on. I know the captain wants me to come back on. He told me this morning, he says he has a hard time getting a regular cook to stay, and when he tells them he wants that cook to stay, they never show back up. So I will find out from the office, and let's hope they do. Alright, till then, I got a lot of stuff. But there's more room in the van now because there's only 2 of us that's going to be in the van. So that's a good thing. I was worried about that. I got a bunch of shit. Alright, people. I will talk with you later when I get on the road. And yeah, that video for me going on the road, once we get a hotel, I'll post a video later on tonight. When we get to the hotel, I'll show you my hotel room, and then I'm going to bed. All right. So talk to you later. Oh yeah. If I don't see you up the river, down the river, or down the road, I'll see you when I can. Bye bye.